lots of fun. If I can't play one game, I just try a different idea until I find a game that I can play, like Duck on a Rock. Ducks! We like ducks! There aren't any actual ducks. Shucks.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morgan County, northeastern Ray County, northern Loudoun County, west central Knox County, southwestern Anderson County, Roane County, south central Scott County, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Ortberg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oak Ridge, Lenore City, Kingston, Rockwood, Wartburg, Fairview, Oliver Springs, Midtown, Harriman, and Oakdale. This includes Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 341 and 366. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'm a teacher now, and I'm supposed to play a game with my students. But it's too cold to go out and play any of the games I know. You're telling me.
So what are you gonna do?
You've got a soccer ball? Yes, but we can't play soccer in here. One kick would send the ball bouncing off the walls. I need to try a different idea. Maybe I can have the players carry the ball instead. I better try a different...
Our awesome adventure to meet James Naismith, who used to be a kid, just like you and me.
So kids like you can change the world. I am Brad.
I'm Xavier.
And we will always try different ideas, just like James Naismith.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Knox County, Jefferson County, central Cocke County, southwestern Greene County, southwestern Granger County, southeastern Union County, northeastern Sevier County, Hamilton County, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Plainview, Oregon, 10 miles southeast of Maynardville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morristown, Sevierville, Jefferson City, Newport, Dandridge, Maynardville, White Pine, Plainview, Newmarket, and Bainbury. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 408 and 441. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 21. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hi there, and welcome to the show.
Today we're meeting a super smart scientist, teacher, and engineer. Temple Grandin.
She's also autistic. That means she often thinks and does things differently than most people.
Being autistic can sometimes be hard, but Temple figured out how great it is for everyone to think and do things differently.
And now let's push the big red button to start the show.
Hey, it's too high. I can't reach. Always wants me to do things their way, but I like doing things my way.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Bradley County, Loudoun County, southeastern Sequatchie County, Meigs County, northwestern Polk County, McMinn County, southwestern Blount County, Monroe County, northeastern Hamilton County, southern Roane County, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairview to near Decatur to near Fairmount, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Maryville, Athens, Lenore City, Sweetwater, Loudoun, Madisonville, Decatur, Saudi Daisy, and Fairview. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 26 and 77. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for East Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Yeah, just like Ben. So I should stop trying to make Ben do things my way and let him see the museum his way. Because people think and do things differently. And that's okay. Terrific, even. Get it? Because the dog said rough, terrific. Oh, dear. We have to go now, Temple. But thanks for your help.
And for the fun kite flying.
And the couch hug. You're welcome. Goodbye.